and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in Plaza Testnet campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward, so that is building on the base network. So I'm going to tell you all the important information you should know about this project. Then I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to participate in this project airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward at the end. So the public square for on-chain bonds and leverage live on base Sequoia testnet. So currently they're in their testnet stage, and I'm going to show you everything you should know about this project. So for you to get started, this is what you need to know. So first of all, you need to get an EVN extension wallet. Currently I'm using MetaMask wallet, so you can use MetaMask wallet extension. For those of you that don't have PC, you can use Mrs browser in participating in this campaign. So download Mrs browser, download MetaMask extension or any extension of your choice. It must be an EVN extension, then you are good to go. So secondly, you need to have at least $1 worth of ETH, be it on the Ethereum mainnet, Arbitrum mainnet, or base mainnet. So you need to have $1 worth of Ethereum on any chain. Then what you all need to do is to visit the description of this video, or you can join my Telegram group to copy the link. So I'm going to drop my Telegram group link at the description of this video. So make sure to join my Telegram group, because to be up to date on Plaza Finance, because I'm going to keep you guys updated on it if there's any new update after this video. So now what you just need to do is to copy the link, or you can click on the link, take it to your browser extension. All right, so take it to your browser extension, then click on search. After pasting the link on a dApps, then click search. Please, if you are using Mrs browser, please make sure to set it on desktop mode. Very important, so that you can see all the interface. So after that, it's going to show you something like this: testnet terms and condition. So make sure to go through it. So after that, you click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you click on connect. So you are going to select your preferred EVM wallet. You can see Rabbit wallet, you can see MetaMask, but I prefer using MetaMask. So click on MetaMask, click connect, then approve. So they are going to add the base Sequoia network to your MetaMask wallet or your preferred EVM wallet. So you'll wait for it to process. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, wallet connected. So you need to approve this signature, then click confirm. And don't forget, never you use your main wallet in participating in testnet event. Although this is a legit site, but still yet, never you use your main wallet to participate in a testnet event. So you can see I've connected my wallet. You can disconnect anytime if you wish. Then you can see different tags. You can see their Discord, can perform their Giude tags. So I'm going to come to this section very soon. And what you just need to do is to get some test token. So you just need to click here to get some test token, and they are going to send base Sequoia ETH, Plaza WST ETH, and Plaza USDT to begin the testing. So for you to get this test token from the Plaza website, you need to hold $1 worth of ETH on any chain, be it the Ethereum mainnet, Arbitrum mainnet, or base mainnet, before you can get this test token. So make sure to hold at least $1 above. To be at the safer side, due to market condition, I'll advise you to hold maybe 0.001, which is like $3 or $4 or so, due to market condition. So make sure to hold 0.001 or $1 ETH above, depending on you, before you can get these 4 sets. And the reason for that is to make sure that your wallet is active and to avoid bot and those participating in cyber campaign and the rest. So they are not going to touch your ETH. The ETH is still going to be in your wallet, but to make sure that your wallet is active, you need that ETH. So if you already have ETH, what you just need to do is to click on get test tokens. So you are going to see requesting test tokens. So just wait for it to process. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, you receive some test WST ETH. So now what you need to do is to click on explore the Plaza. Alright, so for the first campaign, you're going to see buy bond ETH. Click on it. So you can see on the screen I got 1 WST ETH. So I'm going to swap 1.1. Sorry, I'm going to swap 0.1. Okay, to get this bond ETH. Now you click buy. So for those of you using your mobile device, like I said, please make sure to set it on desktop sites if you are using Mrs. browser. So wait for it to process. Now you click confirm. Right, click confirm. You can see approving WETH. You can see transaction successful. Click confirm. So the transaction was successful. For this first tax, you are going to get 4 Plaza points. So please make sure to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you how to get multiplier for you to get massive points. So please make sure to stick with me to the end of this video. So now, after you have performed this, what you just need to do now is to click on N. Don't forget to set it on desktop side for those of you using mobile device. Now you click on Sell. After clicking Sell, just make sure to swap like 0.1. So they just want you to buy and sell on bonds and leave ETH buy and sell. So that's just the main tax. Now you click confirm. So approving, preparing transaction. Now you click confirm. Alright guys, so successful. You can see I got 8 Plaza points now. So what you all need to do is to click on leverage. Now you click on buy. So we are going to use USDC to get some lev ETH. So I'm going to use 100. So this is a testnet token, not a re token. For those of you that we think this is a re token, so this is a testnet token. So fake token just for testing a project ecosystem. So you click confirm. Alright, transaction successful. So now you click confirm again. Alright, so you can see 12 points. Now what you need to do is to click on leverage again, and you click on sell. Now we are going to swap 0.05. So this is just for testing. You click on withdraw. Now you click confirm. Alright, so you click confirm again. So if you have PC, you are going to enjoy this compared to when you are using the mobile device. But if you don't have a PC, you can use Mrs. browser. Download Mrs. browser, download any EVM wallet like MetaMask extension, then you can participate in this campaign. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, I have 16 Plaza points. So for you to get some multiplier, what you all need to do is to click on my Plaza. So if you click on my Plaza, you're going to see points and reward. Okay, so you are going to see your point multiplier. You are going to see your current point. If you click on leaderboard, you are going to see your current rank. So let me show you this using my first account. All right, so click on point and leaderboard. So this is my rank, and I started this campaign last year ending, I think, towards 20 something. So this is my current rank. Since then I've not missed, because you need to repeat this transaction every 24 hours or every day to get some point and the rest. So if you take it back, this is my current rank for this new account, and for you to get some multiplier, this is what you need to do. So if you click on point and reward, you bring it down. Per any point you reach, you are going to get some NFT. Like if you are to get 50 points, you are going to get basic NFT Plaza collectible. If you are to get 100 points, you are going to get this. So let me take you to my first account again. Okay, I'm going to click on point and reward. Sorry, this video is going to be long. I just want you guys to understand it. So now you can see for 50 points I've claimed this NFT. For 100 points I've claimed this. for 200 points. I've claimed this as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a multiplier. So you're going to see that you have 1x. If you are to start this, so my other account, you're going to see I have 1.4x. So for you to get this multiplier, what you need to do is click here. So you are going to see a 3 line here, depending on the device you are using. Click on it. You're going to see Giude. Click on Giude. For those of you that want to know how to get this, how to get Plaza points multiplier, so that it can help you in getting fast Plaza points. So I'm going to make a video about it. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video and in my Telegram group. So if you want to be up to date on Plaza, please make sure to join my Telegram group. I wish to make the video, but if I'm to make the video now, this particular video is going to be too long, so I don't want it to be too long. So I'm going to make a separate video on it, then post it in my Telegram group and on YouTube. So please make sure to join my Telegram group to be up to date on how to get 1.4 point multiplier for Plaza Finance. So guys, this is what you need to know, and this is what you need to do as a return of making this video on Plaza. Please make sure to perform these tasks daily so that you'll be among those ranking. So you can see, make sure to perform this daily. For a new account that I just opened, I am currently ranked 143,887, to show you that this project is under farm, and this project is the most easiest current testnet campaign ever. So please make sure to participate in it to stay positioned for some potential reward. So if the base ecosystem is going to boom, Plaza is surely going to boom. So currently guys, they're in your testnet phase. Make sure to join it and rank well so that you get some potential airdrop rewards. So any updates relating to this, I'm going to tell you guys very soon. Alright guys, so what do you think about this? I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more greens to your wallet.